shots on my niggas, they loaded up. Man on the low, all these hoes be acting so material. Hold up,
Man, did you see her interior?
hold up, we them boys. Hold up, we them boys. Hold up, we making noise. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. Hold up, we them boys. Hold up, we them boys. Hold up, we making noise. Hold up, we them boys.
Fake nigga lie to a real nigga. That's just some shit that you don't do. I'ma stay right for my real nigga. That's just some shit that I'm gon' do. Fuck all the commas. Let's fuck up some commas, nigga. Let's fuck up some commas. Let's do this shit wrong. Yeah. Filch. Shit you just don't do. Fuck up some commas. Let's fuck up some commas, yeah. Let's fuck up some commas. Let's fuck up some commas, yeah. 100,000 to 100,000. 100,000 on 100,000. 300,000, 500,000. $1 million have money shout. Fuck up some commas. Let's fuck up some commas, yeah. Let's fuck up some commas. Let's fuck up some commas, yeah. 40,000 to 100,000. 100,000 on 100,000. 300,000, 500,000. $1 million have money shout. Fuck up the lumber. I'm hot like a sauna, yeah. The burner is on me. Can't play with that money, yeah. I'm fucking with Shorty. I'm loving the way that she fucking me, yeah. Get no fucks, yeah. We don't get no fucks, yeah. Got my cup, yeah. I just bought my plug, yeah. Full of the mud, yeah. Nigga get full of them drugs, yeah. Feeling real right, yeah. I'm on the same thing as Mike, yeah. Ball of ice, yeah. Wanna beat that dough like Ike, yeah. Fuck us some commas. Let's fuck us some commas, yeah. Let's fuck us some commas. Let's fuck up some commas, yeah. 100,000 to 100,000. 100,000 on 100,000. 300,000, 500,000. $1 million have money shout. Fuck up some commas. Let's fuck up some commas, yeah. Let's fuck up some commas. Let's fuck up some commas, yeah. 40,000 to 100,000. 100,000 on 100,000. 300,000, 500,000. $1 million have money shout. Put you on the first 48 hours. Round 22 and sleep 2 hours. Put 24s on a new outing. White on white like baby powder. Drop the bitch off a foot count. Might count it up and then recount it. Double cups like Tunch, yeah. Bust down with Dick Goonish, yeah. Get no fuck shit. We don't get no fuck shit. Go fill my cup, yeah. Bitch, go fill my cup, yeah. You heard that the slums made me. I'm cool with the convicts. The coupe look like Akon. Fuck all the bomb shit. Fuck us some commas. Let's fuck us some commas, yeah. Let's fuck us some commas. Let's fuck up some commas, yeah. 100,000 to 100,000. 100,000 on 100,000. 300,000, 500,000. $1 million have money show. Fit it, grit it, get it, with it, run it, grit it, read it, admit it, get it, slit it, fit it, ball, rigid, with it, see it, go. Throw that money in the air, watch it fall to the floor. Hurry, order, us, rent, need a order, us, whoa. All the month, yeah, 80 on a watch, yeah. Cater pier, yeah, serving cater pier, yeah. I should, oh, yeah, I should break it off, yeah. Break it off, yeah. Made myself a boss, yeah. Let's fuck up some commas. Let's fuck up some commas, yeah. Let's fuck up some commas. Let's fuck up some commas, yeah. 40,000 to 100,000. 100,000 on 100,000. 300,000, 500,000. $1 million have money shout. You get no fucks, yeah. We don't get no fucks, yeah. You get no fucks, yeah. We don't get no fucks, yeah. 40,000 to 100,000. 100,000 on 100,000. 300,000, 500,000. $1 million have money shout. Have a money shout, yeah. Let's have a money shower right now. Oh, let's have a money shower right now. Let's go. Let's have a money shower right now. Let's go. Let's have a money shower. 40,000 to 100,000, 100,000, 100,000, $1 million. Hendrix. Sunset shit done changed. Ever since we was on, I dreamed it all. Ever since I was young, they said I won't be nothing. Now they always say congratulations. Work so hard, forgot how to vacation. They ain't never had the dedication. People hate and say we changing, look, we made it. Yeah, we made it. They was never friendly, yeah. Now I'm jumping out of Bentley, yeah. And I know I sound dramatic, yeah. But I know I had to have it, yeah. For the money, I'm a savage, yeah. I be itching like I had it, yeah. I'm surrounded 20 bad bitches, yeah. But they didn't know me last year, yeah. Everyone wanna act like they important.
What is good, chat? Look at this. We got a new overlay going here. What's going on? Vip, man, who was here for the stocky ray. That was awesome. Let's go. That tune, Cat in a Hat. What's good? What's good? What's good? How many people we got out here this morning? How many people we got out here this morning? We got 15 people already right off the rip. Let's go. It's fucking 7 a.m. What's the move for today? What's the move for today, chat? We continue our journey up. Can you guys hear the music? Can you hear the music? And hits, what's good? Prince Moonracer, what's good? Good morning, good morning, good morning. We're surviving, we're doing great. We're up 139 bucks over here. We're browsing the internets, dude. We're up so much on Cardano. Oh my god, we're up so much over here. You can hear it. You can hear the music. Audio levels are fine. Why does it seem like it's like capped?
Comorbid conditions, and the FDA is able to identify that. You might see a label that's a little... So that's why the FDA needs to look...
Huh, that's so much louder, though. Market Tech, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Music audio is good with my... It's very low. That's what I thought. Huh. Let's see what we can do here. Ada did break 50 cents. Volume is good. Even the music volume's good. It looks so low on the audio mixer. It looks extremely low on the audio mixer. Cat just doesn't like your music. I need the audio up here, but I need it turned down in my fucking head. I can't live like this. Good now? Much better, at least. What crypto do I hold? I hold Bitcoin and Cardano. That's it. Bitcoin and Cardano. I have a fuck ton of Cardano. Stake your Cardano with this. Cardano is one of the ones you can stake when you put it in a private wallet. I have 30,000 Cardano over here in the private wallet. We run the stake pool. I run the pool, rare pool. See how much we got in there. 365,000 Cardano in there. So the pledge is by the pool operators. This pledge is split between myself and a developer that runs the pool. So I have 25,000 Cardano in the pool and another 30,000 Cardano in my private wallet. Do we burn one with our boy in the morning? Let's go, Memphis! I'm backing one up with my boy. I haven't even lit one today. He got a little chill I'm rocking. Little straight shooter, baby. Burn one with our boy in the morning. Let's go, man.
You get a new layout, bro?
I did get a new layout. I did.
I'm back one up with my boy. I haven't even lit one today.
We're trying to make it so that it works with poker tournaments and stuff when we get a poker tournament up.
Oh yeah, this sort of.
It's like stream within a stream, dude. It's like streamception right now.
Oh shit, I'm on the internet. You can hear me on audio.
We're trying to make it so that it works with poker.
You're on the internet, bro.
I was shouting you out earlier for the ADA play, bro. People were asking me about crypto.
ADA is where it's at, brother.
Dude, it's like streamception right now.
Yeah, this is my first time ever, bro. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm probably gonna end, bro, and just watch you.
You're on the internet.
What have you been doing? Are you doing streaming? Are you stock streaming too? If you're doing stock streaming, I hit you with that follow. I'm gonna make sure I drop a raid on you sometime.
Bro, we can't play our own music.
You're not supposed to, but I don't give a fuck. I'm playing whatever I want because it's bigger than hip hop.
Are you doing streaming? Are you stock streaming too?
Yeah, I was showing my portfolio. I'm making a watch list.
I'm gonna make sure I drop a raid on. You're not supposed to, but I don't give a fuck. Play whatever I want because it's bigger than hip hop.
Next interview we do it through
I'm
another
organizing
stream.
my watch list, bro, right here. I use Robinhood for my watch list. And then
Woo!
I don't know how to use Thinkorswim yet very well yet. I don't even know how to keep more than a couple up.
If you need help with Thinkorswim, give them a call, dude. Thinkorswim, they can like remote in and ping. They can ping on the program where you need to click as they tell you about it. So it's really helpful in learning how to use the program.
If you need help with Thinkorswim, give them a call, dude. Thinkorswim, they can like remote in and ping. They can ping on the program where you need to click as they tell you about it. So it's really helpful in learning how to use the program.
Bro, look at my screen. I was looking at Tesla earlier. I don't know how to work it, and it was showing. Look at like what's showing up. I was looking at the 4-hour chart.
A little bit
And
of
it
love
shows
and say hi.
157 was the low of Tesla, 4 hours. Like what? I don't know how to use it.
That 4 hours, so every tick, every green or red tick on that 4-hour chart represents 4 hours in time. So that 152 is probably, that's in like June of last year. If you look, when you have your cursor over there, and then you look up towards the top, it gives you a date.
Every tick, every green or red tick on that 4-hour chart represents 4 hours in time. So that 152 is probably, that's in like June of last year. If you look, when you have your cursor over there, and then you look up towards the top, it gives you a date.
Oh yeah, 5.
Look at
Yeah,
the
I
light
know 4 hours,
bulb!
so that's-
I love this, dude! The light bulb clicks! I love when the light bulb clicked. You like brought it over and I could see you look up a little bit and you didn't find it, and then you moved a little bit and the date changed, and then you were like, there it is! That was so fucking great! Look at the light bulb! I love this, dude! The light bulb clicks! I love when the light bulb clicks. You like brought it over and I could see you look up a little bit and you didn't and then you were like, there it is.
Why do-
So fucking great.
Why does it show 120 or 157 though?
That was the low.
Because it's 4 hours, you know? That's like 4 months or something. Crazy.
No. So each tick, if you zoom in on the bottom right,
That's a little...
like right now when you're on the daily chart or the weekly there, calm down. Stop. Stay somewhere.
Because it's 4 hours. That's like 4 months. So that was crazy.
No. So each tick, if you zoom in
All right.
on the bottom right, like right now when you're on the daily chart or the weekly there. Now we're back on the 4 hour. So each.
I'm on weekly.
All right, now we're on the weekly. The delay.
What the hell am I doing?
So now that you're on the weekly,
Oh,
each tick there, like each green square represents 1 week. Now we're back on the 4 hour. So each.
There's lag.
There is a lag. Now we're on the weekly. The delay. So now that you're on the weekly, each tick there, like each green square represents 1 week.
There's lag.
There is a lag.
Oh.
So each red tick is a week. So now that you're on the daily, every green tick is a day.
I just... Okay.
Every red tick is a day. And it's showing you the course of a year. Every tick's the day throughout the year. So each red tick is a week. So now that you're on the daily, every green tick is a day. A candle, you know what I mean? Every red tick is a day. And it's showing you the course of a year. Every tick's the day throughout the year.
365 ticks right here?
Yes. There's 365 little candles. Whatever. A candle, you know what I mean?
So how do I zoom in though, like how you do it?
Bottom
Like,
right.
Just like with the cursor.
Bottom right, there's a positive
Or how do I get my
micro.
portfolio in the top left? That's what I was trying to figure out.
Yes. There's 365. Bottom right, there's like a magnifying glass with a plus and a minus.
So how do I zoom in though, like how you do it?
Bottom right. Bottom right, there's a positive
How do I get
micro.
my portfolio in the top left? That's what I was
Portfolio in the
Bottom
top
right,
left.
there's like a
Magnifying glass with a plus and a minus.
Ah. Thank. Oh shit. I'm on the internet, dude.
I'm on the internet. Yes. And then under your watch
Dude, bro,
list,
we got like 3 hours till market.
on the left-hand side where it says watch list. How did I change that? Oh, and it says default. Click on the default and change that to current account. I'm on the internet. Yes. Under your watch list,
We got like 3 hours till market.
on the left-hand side where it says watch list. How did I change that? Oh, and it says default. Click on the default and change that to current account.
Okay, cool.
Bam.
And can I just bring it up though?
Then the way you switch out how they're laid out, like I have mine showing profit and losses. Where do you do that to edit it? If you click on the three bullet points with lines, the show action menu. Then the way you switch out how they're laid out, like I have mine. That's not it actually. I have mine showing profit and losses. Oh, there's a little gear. There's a little gear. There's tiny little gear next to ask. Next to ask. You should see a tiny little gear. Oh, there's a little gear. There's a little gear. There's tiny little gear next to ask. On your watch list. You should see a tiny little gear.
Oh shit, the thing is tiny. Customize?
Yep. Customize. On your watch list. We're getting all kinds of repeat feedback. Oh, yeah, it's because of his. Oh, because it just keeps going. All right. All right, Ben Biss. We'll do this another time. We'll do another private time. I can't have all the feedback. Oh, no. We'll do this again, brother. Hopefully we got you set up a little bit, my man. That was a good one. That was awesome. Hey, dude, somebody had to help me figure this shit out. So I'm glad I can help somebody else. You know what I mean? Guys, you need to solve sound volume for each participant. We were just joking around there. That was another streamer. We were just joking around there, Lillian. That was just another streamer. Hanging out. That's what friends are for. Let's go. Ben Biss, thanks, Dad. Let's go, Ben Biss. Good morning, Ren. How's the stock? How's the stock E-raid yesterday? K to the JH. It was one of the most amazing things that's ever happened in my fucking life. Straight up. Straight up. That guy's amazing. I've watched his channel grow from like... We're on live right now. The stock gallery. Let's go. I've watched the dude on the come up, like... I found his channel, which is what made me want to stock stream, you know what I mean? And I've watched him on the come up from less than 1,000 viewers, you know what I'm saying? That guy had less than 1,000 viewers when I found his channel, and then all of a sudden, he's got 30,000 viewers. He's above Tim the Tap Man on my follower bar and shit. Like, I mean, it's just amazing to watch. It's just good shit to see a guy come up like that, you know what I mean? Just absolutely good shit. Just heartwarmingly good shit. I grab this clip. Oh my fucking god. Are you kidding me right now? So many follows. What? Did we just get a raid from the stock guy right now? Oh my god! What is happening right now? I think my chat froze. Content, humor, and education. Yeah, God. He is. Oh my god. It just goes insane. It literally went insane. Like, I think it broke. I think it broke my fucking OBS straight up with all the follows and everything. Kirby, any tips on investing first time, dude? Yes, Kirby. Check out ETFs, exchange traded funds. Learn what the S&P 500 is. Learn what the NASDAQ is. And I would say start there, because if you start with an exchange traded fund, like the QQQ over here, you get a little bit of everything in one ticker. You buy the QQQ, that means you're buying Apple is its largest holding. 11, almost 12% of the QQQ is Apple. Another 10% is Microsoft. Another 9% is Amazon. Another 5.5% almost is Tesla. Facebook, Google, Nvidia, PayPal, all the shit you want to buy, it's all in the QQQ. So I suggest you start there, okay? I suggest you start there. Then I would learn about dividends and how dividends grow. I would learn about yield on cost. Yield on cost is the most important. And how dividends grow is so fucking important. I was work lurking and heard him screaming, let's go! So learning about how dividends grow so you don't get caught in upfront yield of a dividend. You don't want too high of a dividend up front. You want a dividend that grows. Buy indexes if you want to go long-term. 95% of traders don't beat them. Exactly. That's why I say start with ETFs, learn there. And then if you ever want to get into stock trading from there, you know, as you learn, you can become more active as you go. But I would never tell somebody to be like, yeah, hop the fuck right in. Buy this fucking penny stock for a day trade. You're going to be in and out for 5 seconds. You know what I mean? Like, nah, player, nah. Slow it down. Slow your roll, learn a little bit. Crypto Ryan, what's good? I say it's called spending life's tuition, Kirby. You're gonna fuck up. You're definitely gonna lose some money, and it's just life's tuition. When you lose money, just make sure you take a moment, sit back, figure out what you did wrong, what you can do next time to avoid it. Have it be a learning lesson. It's life's tuition. You know what I mean? Fin and tech education is the best you can learn nowadays. Let's go. Looking top shape this morning. Let's go, Crypto Ryan. We need to put a card cover on the... That's one thing we didn't do. Image. Create new image. What's our card cover? Okay. So cringe, I just realized my proud of your treat. Maybe look like a fucking dude. No, not at all, brother. Ah, dude. Don't you fucking worry about it. Where's a good image? Did we just use the logo? The logo's fucking clear. You can't use the logo. Chips. For now, that'll work. Lock it up. Streamception. Love the cover card, chippies. So you're saying there's no value in finding the managers that do beat the index and buy them? I mean, possibly yes, there is absolutely value in doing that. But I think I would just start with the QQQ and the SPY, and then start looking into things like the ARCs and all the other shit. Trying to get some holding in ADA. You can't get ADA on Coinbase. Exclamation mark crypto in the chat. I got it. You gotta get it on crypto.com. Charts. We got Marvels working. We got CNBC working. Oh my god, he's talking to Barstool.
Line, as you know, that are furious with him. There are people saying
look at this.
He should be sued, that the SEC should investigate.
What do you guys like about this? Look at the whole CNBC screen here. You guys like that?
You could see real, and look, we don't know if anything is going to happen in that regard, but given all of his various roles and a lot of the things he says off the cuff, how do you think about the key man risk from a shareholder perspective related to Dave Portnoy?
Well, look, Dave is an entrepreneur down to the core. You know, he started Barstool in 2003 in his parents' basement, and he's turned it.
Love it. We're making moves. We're making moves. I've sold today. My ADA will be able to buy again. I don't know. I'm not selling ADA. There's no that. That sounds like the dumbest thing ever. Why would you sell today? They have so much happening at the end of the month. I'm not selling shit. I'm holding.
Concerns, and we'll see where this goes. I think time will tell, but. You know, Dave is certainly going to be vocal about how he feels. I applaud him for that. I think that his audience is loyal because of how real Dave is, and he's full transparency. You know, even as a day trader, he makes it very clear where he places his bets and what stocks he owns when he sells them. So, we'll see where it goes. But I think Dave is being true to Dave. He's being true to his fans.
Clove, I don't know. They got beat up.
Retail day traders were
overlay's dope. I haven't figured it all out yet. I want a different one. I want to get rid of all the shit on the bottom down here. Get rid of all that because it's easy to see on Twitch now. I want to thin out all the frames and give a bigger space to the screen. You know.
He's bigger than life.
We could have a better overlay. We could absolutely have a better overlay.
With the cancel culture, he's kind of a, I don't know, kind of a folk hero. But you know the story of Icarus.
GME to the moon is over.
They try to get you if you fly too close to the sun. You think.
Actually, this overlay was made by somebody on Fiverr too. I've paid somebody on Fiverr before to do this. Dr. Rand, did you hear about the lady charged with beating her husband to death with his guitar collection? The judge asked her first offender. She replied, no, first a Gibson, then a Fender. Oh my God.
Suit story. My mom's a
You own
poker
one
dealer,
suit.
so
You own one
I
suit.
grew up in a poker family, and I remember
His
my
mom's a
mom
poker
coming
dealer.
home from work many days talking about how the suits never talk to them, and the suits don't listen, and the suits kick the chair when they're not dealing fast enough. So I've never been a suit for different reasons. That Dave doesn't like suits, but I don't like suits either.
I don't wear a jacket. That's all I can. Do you? I got that. So I got that going for. When we had
What?
DraftKings on, they talked about people not being back at work, so there's no office pools. So they weren't making.
I
as
should be
much
able to
money.
add
Same thing
existing.
with you.
Well, we don't make money on office pools. We make money
You
from
don't?
people betting on sports inside the casino and online. So I think what you're going to find this year, Joe, is that maybe office pool spend is down, but betting online on legal sports books across the country is going to be exponential from what it was last year or the year before. And, we're excited about that. We're in 2 states today, and we have some really special, unique bets that Dave
Bam.
came up with. That he picked 5 personalities at Barstool. Everybody gets $10,000 at the beginning of the game. Whoever has the most money at the end of the game gets winners keep
Kirby,
all.
let's go.
As the retail fan,
GME is
you get
done.
$100 on the Super
GME is
Bowl, you get
done.
randomly assigned to one of these 5 personalities.
Clove showing an
If your,
uptrend.
personality
Did they get wrecked
wins
by
at the
that
end of the Super
short?
Bowl, you get $1,000
By that
off the
Hindenburg
tier
report? They were
account. So
talking about it
Pennsylvania,
early this
Michigan,
morning. It
download
doesn't
the app,
sound
have some
good,
fun
dude.
with
Doesn't
that.
sound good.
And,
Sounds like they knew, you know?
It's a lot of fun, Jay.
Vic DDR, we did a little bit of work here. I'd like to get a new overlay, but this is the general concept. Is that tune out there? Is that tune out there?
should have been a 3-game parlay, Joe.
I had a 4-game, and I lost with Arizona.
Should have been a
and I
3-game.
won
You would have won.
I had Ohio State. So I had 3 great calls, and then Utah killed Arizona. I would on $3. I
Oh
would've
my
made
God.
like $38.
I misclicked
I
over.
just missed them. And I only bet on
Handle,
one thing,
what's
so-
good?
3 games next time. Just three-game parlay. You'll get
Is
it.
3
Joe.
better? Is 3 better, Jay?
Yeah.
Four,
Better
four's
chance.
We are ready for an amazing day.
one, a half. That's like a
Almost
one.
like I reached out yesterday. You did.
It's not very
You
much.
did reach out yesterday. In the morning. Wait, did you call at night?
Dangerous to myself.
Did you call at night or
Thank
something?
you. Jay, it's good having you on. Jay, not a suit. That's Snowden. Let's see. See you later.
See you, Joe. See
And-
you, Andrew.
Hey, nice to see you. Coming up on the other side of this break, retail investors learning about the ups and downs of the market, and they may also get a painful lesson in tax surprises. We're going to have that story when we return, and also check out shares of Ford this morning. The automaker reported a surprise profit of 34 cents per share versus an expected loss of 7 cents.
Totally
Also
misclicked
outlining
there.
Plans to invest $22 billion in
My
electric
fucking
vehicles
Discord is
and $7
fucked
billion
up.
in self-driving
What is going on
vehicles
with
through
my
2022.
computer?
That stock up nearly 2% on that news. Squawk returns after this.
Time now for today's Aflac trivia question. How many pounds of chicken wings are consumed on Super Sunday? The answer when CNBC Squawk Box continues.
How many pounds of chicken wings, chat, are consumed on a Super Bowl Sunday? Bought Ada at 41 cents. Let's go. I've been screaming about Ada forever, dude. Forever. Oof. Oof. I am definitely not buying that pre-market on super low volume after the Hindenburg tore them apart. It sounds like they really did know about what was going on and didn't disclose it to the public. And the more you think about it, dude, Chamath Palihapitiya was a part of Space. I fucking hate Space, the ticker. Sounds like this dude is just enriching himself, just selling shit to people. Just selling shit to retail people like Clove and Space. I have a feeling this is going to really affect his other IPOE. Where the fuck is IPOE at? Handle, thoughts? Have you done your research today on all this shit? You know? Congrats on the 1.5k viewers yesterday. What's good with the Bitcoin? We're over here just watching our Cardano fly, dude. Cardano's flying. You can't stop us. We're over 50 cents now. They just testnetted their Goguen, and it's about to go live on mainnet by the end of the month. Is this MERS rapping? I don't know. What the hell's MERS? It is Corey Mo, Talib Kweli, Killer Mike, and something Mitchell. Sell the news, bro. Crypto never fails. No, dude, I've been holding I've been holding Cardano since like 8 cents. Literally. I'm never selling this. I believe the only two cryptocurrencies I believe in are Bitcoin and ADA. That's it. That's it. Those are the only two I hold. They're the only two I care to hold. I'm not trying to be a master trader, catching the pump and dumps, being the first in, first out. This ain't no FIFO restaurant rotation in here. I'm not in a walk-in cooler trying to rotate the fucking bananas, bro. I'm out here buying hella good assets, and I am holding those motherfuckers for as long as I can. As long as these weak hands will allow me to, okay? True, but it'll dump when the product is released. I don't think so, Mosey. I don't think so. And if it does, I'm buying more. I'm buying more. I buy every fucking ADA dip there is. This thing's going to $10 one day. I don't think it's this year. I've been trying, Violent Pudding. I've been trying to get him on it. I don't think it's going there this year. I have no wild price predictions. I'd be super happy if at the end of the year Cardano was at 75 cents. I would be fucking stoked. You know what I mean? So I'm not out here trying to make crazy wild price predictions. I actually believe in what they're doing. I believe in what they're doing versus Bitcoin, versus Ethereum. I believe in the fact that it's a lot of peer-reviewed science being put into ADA, reviewed by people that are much smarter than me. I'm following the smart minds. That's what I'm doing. Between GME and Save today was Bola and early Unity. Video game retailers on one side, biotech on the other. There should be no correlation, but for both, traded multiple billions in big money building, use staircases and knocking castles down. Bury. Oh. Whoa. One coin type beat. Wait, huh? Touring news. I have done a little bit of deep dives into Chainlink. I like what they do. I do like what they do. I think Chainlink and DOT are good holds. I've held both of them for a little bit of time. First of all, somebody !Caster for touring news in the chat, if you would. But yes, Touring News is a caster. Give him a follow, everybody out there. Is a streamer. He does news stuff and all types of really cool. We gotta do !Caster, then his name. Kapow. Good try though. I appreciate you. But I don't hold any of them because I just really believe the upside in ADA is the most upside from cryptocurrency. Like, from what I've read into, I believe Cardano has the most upside potential. Favorite parts of Cardano? I really like the creator. I like Charles Hoskinson. I like his ideals. I think the dude's extremely wealthy, and I don't think he's really doing it for money. He's also very, very smart. He's a scientist. He's an actual mathematician working on cryptography. There's over 90 plus peer-reviewed scientific papers reviewed from people at Cambridge, MIT, Harvard, other University of Wyoming, universities all over the world have reviewed the work going into the Cardano. They're part of that like measure twice, cut once crew. They've been taking some time to roll it out. The creator of Cardano, Charles Hoskinson, who I'm telling you to look up, was also one of the original founders and creators of Ethereum. I do not. In fact, last night I was just saying I wish he would do less YouTube videos, because now I think he's just pumping out YouTube videos, like staying relevant, and like it's not about Cardano. Like he's just doing, news YouTube videos, which is okay, but like I feel like I want him working on I want to hear more about Cardano if we're gonna be popping off, or shouldn't we be working on that? You know what I mean? This kind of like me, though. I understand it, dude. When you're doing one project, sometimes there's nothing but time that needs to pass, and you can focus on another project. People don't understand that, especially when you are managing multiple businesses and things like that. It's not like I necessarily need to fucking stand around and watch every beer get sold at the brewery. Like, no, that's fucking dumb. But maybe quarterly or yearly, we have a meeting, and I can chuck out some more 30,000 foot view ideas. You know what I mean? Same with the CBD company or anything else. I was all in on Link under 40 cents, sold for a small loss on my last dip. Woo. Link though? What? Link's at 26.36 right now. SS Army, what's good? I mean, this thing is cranking. All you had to do was hold these things, and they've gone up. They've done nothing but go up over time. Theta's one of my favorites. Damn. I've been missing out on Theta. I need to get Theta. So Theta, to me, the only reason I like it other than ADA is because it feels more like a stock to me. A person I trust a lot has been suggesting I look into Oasis Network listed under Rose. Really? I'll have to check that out for sure. After stream today, I'll definitely check that out. Pretty much any real crypto always goes up. I don't know about that. I think Theta is very interesting because it started by one of the people who started YouTube, and they're doing decentralized like video streaming. There's like a theta.tv, which is like Twitch, you know? So I feel like Theta token is more like owning a stock than a cryptocurrency, you know what I mean? Like it's like holding an equity. It's like you have stock in Theta. I don't know how that works though. I don't hold any. I've been super interested in it because I'm interested in the underlying business, but I don't know how the token works with the business. They also have like T-Fuel or whatever the fuck it is. So I don't know. Sits here with all my Theta. I got it 92 cents. If you have 1,000 Theta, you can stake it on a pool and earn more Theta. That's another reason why I need like $2,500 worth of Theta now to even stake it. Yeah, but are you going to VPN into Binance so you can get Theta? No. I have buddies that are overseas that I could get it from if I really wanted to. Sol is one I've yet to wrap my head around, but FTX is going to be a huge trading platform. I don't understand that. Here's the thing, dude, is the whole tokens for companies thing is kind of sketch to me. Like, why didn't you just do an equity raise? Wait, what? How legal is VPN on Binance? Probably super illegal. I don't do that shit. Hey, I wouldn't do shit like that. I wouldn't do anything like that. I don't suggest it. I would never do that. I have literally friends that are outside. Like, I have a developer friend that does work in Asia. So he can cop whatever I want and send it to my private wallet, no problem. You know what I'm saying? That's why I never bought Sol. As a coin, you don't have SEC oversight. Yeah, but I mean, that just seems like really sketch to me, though. You know what I mean? Like, why? Why are we doing that? You know what I mean? I'm not about it. I'm not about it. And, you know, if I miss out on a lot of the upfront gains, it is what it is. We're over here chilling in our ADA, man. I think ADA is going to make me rich. I have enough ADA that I'm fine. I have literally over 55,000 ADA. I have 30,000 here in my private wallet, and then we run a staking pool. If you hold ADA, you need to have it in a private hard wallet, a Dedulus or Yoroi wallet like I have here, Yoroi wallet. You keep your ADA in your own private hard wallet. You have your keys. Nobody else has control. Nobody has access. Even when you delegate to the rare pool down here, they don't have access. It's always transferable, always sellable, always usable. It's never locked up for any period of time. You can always sell it, get rid of it. And every 5-10 days or so, you receive rewards anywhere from 4% to 7% a year and more ADA. Look, I've already earned 86 more ADA over here. The rewards just come in. Bing, 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 bing. And all you do is you go to the delegation list over here, and you search up rare, like this, and you click this little delegate button over here. And bam, your ADA's delegated to the pool. You know what I mean? And it's earning you more ADA. And now I've got 30,000 ADA over here earning me more ADA. This is the early bird special, Cess Army. This is called the Yoroi wallet. Y-O-R-O-I wallet. It is a browser extension. It's a browser extension wallet. And it works with a ledger. You can store your ADA. There is no cost. There is no cost. There is no cost. You can send all your ADA to a Ledger hard wallet, connect that with your Yoroi or Daedalus wallet, and have your ADA kept on your hard wallet, where you need your hard wallet to move the ADA, and still be earning rewards. Y-O-R-O-I in chat. What other tokens does it store? Ledger store lots of tokens. This wallet, this online wallet here is specifically for ADA, and so that you can stake. Don't buy Ledger wallets though. They got hacked and every customer info was stolen recently. Yeah, I mean there's a couple other wallets. Like they got hacked and their customer info was stolen. It's not like their wallet. The wallets are secure and everything like that. Them as business people suck. That's for sure. They as business people suck. For getting hacked and getting I've been getting hella trash emails from that shit. Dude, the banks and blanket, everybody gets hacked for their customer list eventually. It just is what it is. I need to just step back. I always hear about people getting information hacked over the last 10 years and that someone doesn't have everyone's information. Yeah, I just assume my shit's already out there. You know what I mean?
On those who are taking risks in our economy, on investors. I think
this dude's talking about the tax risk.
Economic growth. I am concerned that there's going to be a push to increase the short-term capital gains tax rates to discourage the type of trading that we saw over the past few months. We have to recognize and realize that what we saw with GameStop, that is a tiny fraction of the overall U.S. market cap. That's less than right now. That's less than 1/10,000th of the entire market cap. So to make big tax changes based on what happened in one stock or a handful of stocks would be a mistake.
Joe, but take the stock part out of it.
Into the Mad Cow, rated with one viewer. Neanderthal, Jayhawks guided. Yo, thank you guys, Rambo. Thank you guys for the follow. Sorry, I forgot they were muted from yesterday. Let me unmute. They were muted from all the...
Wouldn't you want to come up with a tax policy that makes sure that people are incentivized to make
talk to text is also turned on
short-term investments
for 100 bits or more.
Unfortunately, some
into the Mad Cow. Thank you so much for the raid. I appreciate it.
Transaction tax or tax on high-frequency trading. People fail to
Sean, thank you.
Regular investors
spelled 3 ways.
Liquidity. It means that you're going to have to pay slightly higher to get into a position. It means you're going to have to actually earn slightly less when you get out of position. And that adds up over time. You know, we've crunched the numbers at the Heritage Foundation, and it shows that this adds tens of thousands of dollars of years in cost, even to a typical middle-class IRA, once you compound that interest. So recognize the consequences to...
There's a good Medium article by Danny Lee's giving a good guide. You're all good into the Mad Cow. No, sorry, I appreciate it, man. What were you streaming?
Jared, I assume you're on the other side of this one.
No, I agree with him on this. You want to be very careful about something like a financial
like the DD and the Wake and Bake. Let's go, Sean.
Go after these,
StarCraft and CSGO. Let's go into the Mad Cow. I'll have to check you out.
As New York is proposed for high earners, there's been some suggestion you could do that for everyone.
I'm all about the small streamers, bro.
Something like the GameStop situation, say this would prevent it, but it really
look at the age of my stream. I've been streaming for 6 years on and off, dude. Most of those years I streamed to less than 5 people in my channel. So I understand the hustle and the start, and I'm all about helping small streamers grow, dude. I'm all about it because nobody understood me. None of my friends still to this day understand me. My family barely even understands what the hell I'm building here. They don't understand it, you know? So I want to be as supportive as I can.
You about the idea of either making
Be as supportive as I can for other small streamers starting out, dude, because I understand that nobody else around you in your real life fucking understands what's going on and what you're trying to build. You know what I mean? And that you're taking a shot. It is a shot. It is a gamble, you know? Sometimes you have to take calculated risks, though. You know what I mean? Bro, I've been pushing Abe new SNX minus for 2 weeks. The gains over here just nuts. Got a something. A few weeks ago, it's at 500. Got new this week, 28 cents. Something 48 cents. 80 on there as well. But you might want to look into some of these DeFis, man. Luke, what's good? What's good, Luke? I like the Abe. I like the Abe. I've heard good things about it. I've heard good things about it. I need to do a little bit more of a deep dive. When I get some more like, my next move is Theta, dude. I missed the Theta pump, dude. I need Theta so bad. I need to go live on Theta TV, too. We can go live on Theta TV over the weekend. I might set up Caster. What is OX? Oh my god, now my buddy's over here buying thousands of fucking other coins and shit. Good plays long term, but short term they're just flying. They are flying. I'm afraid of like hacks in the protocols and shit like that. Like one day you wake up and it's like, and it's gone. You know what I mean? I want to let other people shake that out a little bit, even if I gotta miss the first few gains. You know what I mean? Free Bitcoin. You literally click a button every hour, chat, and you get free Bitcoin. I don't know how to explain it any easier than that. You click one button every hour. You can do it from your phone. You can do it on your desktop. I sit here and live stream every day, so I just try to remember to just click the button every now and then, and it is what it is. You know what I mean? It's fucking free. It's free Bitcoin. I've cashed out. I've literally cashed out $200 from the free Bitcoin site. It's true. I hit the button for free Bitcoin. Like, you might as well. Price safe on Coinbase, not getting your coins hacked. Yeah. Oh, does Coinbase hold save and all that stuff? Can you get the AAV and all that on there? On Coinbase? Damn, Luke. I didn't know that. Thank you for that. Now that has me even more interested. Ave new SNX all on Coinbase. Really? When I saw ADA over 50 cents this morning, first thing I thought of was Ran. Let's go, baby. We have fucking 55,000 ADA. Do you understand? Like, I'm going to retire off ADA. I know I am. I know I am. Like, I'm buying more. That's the thing, too, dude. Here's the thing. Nick Pastrami, thank you so much for the follow. When I believe in ADA so much, and I believe what ADA's going to do, here's the other problem I have. There's only going to be very few cryptocurrencies, right? Or will it be like currencies we have today? Are we just going to have like mass different currencies that are going to have to exchange with each other? You know what I mean? Rolled out a new ad for all streamers and lurkers. Luna? What is that? Are you high, Rand? I did smoke a bowl earlier, but I have a fresh one packed right here. So let's fucking fire it up, right? There'll be tons, most of them worthless, though. Exactly. 10 years, there'll be a shit ton. I'm looking at, yeah, like, what's going to be here when I want to fucking retire? You know what I mean? Like, I truly think ADA is going to be here. I think it's going to beat Ethereum. You know? And then there's going to be native tokens built on ADA and brought to it. They have an ERC20 token converter where people that have already built tokens on Ethereum can just migrate them over to ADA. Tilray won't stop. I should be a millionaire. Let's go, Handle. Yo, and we diversify here. It's not about all going all in. Like Handle said, we're still out here. We're still out here in the Tilray, stacking it up over here. You know, do you need some Penn National Gaming? Is still flying as well. Penn National Gaming. Fading ETH seems hard. It's kicking the shit out of Ethereum, dude. Look, I measure everything in life in ADA now, Luke. I don't measure everything in Bitcoin. I don't measure everything in US dollars. I fucking live in ADA. That's why I have ADA to USD, ADA to Bitcoin, ADA to Ethereum. And guess what, dude? We're gonna fucking crush this motherfucker. Coming out of the depths here. It's been just going up. I love it. Honestly, ADA has been doing better than Ethereum. When Ethereum pumps, ADA just pumps extra hard. You know what I mean? ADA, it's not winning, but it's holding steady, if not coming out of the pits of its hole here. And I have a feeling that when they release smart contracts and other things, it's going to start winning. Because I think he took the right time. They already have proof of stake. They're not stuck on proof of work like Ethereum is. You know what I mean? Like, I think these people took the low and slow time to put out a proper coin, have a bunch of really smart people all across the world, fucking peer review all their paperwork, get involved in it. I just have a feeling. That's my feeling. I don't hold any Ethereum. I have Bitcoin and I have ADA. And that's my life. You know what I mean? You cannot buy ADA on Coinbase yet. I'm waiting for that. Oh my god, when ADA hits Coinbase, imagine the pump I'm about to get there. This is the Ethereum. Sorry, I was on the wrong screen there. This is the Cardano to Ethereum. It's just been basically flat since 2017. And at one point it was gaining on Ethereum like a motherfucker. He's my biggest bad, honestly not mad at it. I hear on ADA though, I have some too, mostly to hedge against BTC ETH. Exactly. Dude, I like Ethereum. I'm not against Ethereum. Like, obviously it's solving problems. It's got room to go up. Like, it's like, you know, Bitcoin's gold, Ethereum's like, it's like the second best coin. Like, if everything's going up, Ethereum's going up too. If Bitcoin's going up, Ethereum's going up. But I do think there's a lot of problems, like the gas fees, proof of work, and all the electricity that's got to get used. McGiggles, thank you for the follow. Let's go. How about ADA right now? I got all mine on crypto.com. Crypto.com. Link in the chat there. Link in the chat. Gas fees are crazy right now. See that? All that shit's got to get worked out, man. And I feel like ADA's already worked it out. ADA's already worked it out. If you start researching into ADA and how they've got side chains and all this shit going on, dude, it's all been worked out for you. I don't keep it on an exchange. I don't. Yoroi is a private wallet that I keep my ADA in. And then it's staked to the rare pool, which is our pool. That's a pool that myself and a developer have running to process transactions on the ADA network. And in return, everybody who delegates to us that's a part of this number here gets rewards as the pool moves. Past, there were supposed to be better tricks. IOTA, no one ever took it over. None of them were. So the creator of Cardano was a creator of Ethereum. He was one of the founders of Ethereum. Number one. Number two, this is all coming out with proof of stake, and none of the others were all peer-reviewed by other mathematicians, cryptographers in a university setting with over 90 plus. I mean, they're probably at like 100 peer-reviewed papers at this point about the science around them. You know what I mean? And what's happening is you see all these other coins rush to market with some of his ideas, but they don't have the whole picture. You know what I mean? They don't have the whole picture. Went completely liquid and went all in Doge? No. But I get what you're saying. There have definitely been ETH killers in the past, none of which I believed. Until I found Cardano, I had only held Bitcoin and Ethereum. Let's put it that way. We had Tezos. For a little bit of time because I had it on Coinbase, because that was the first time I ever figured out that my crypto could earn more crypto. Kind of like the staking you do with your ADA here. You know what I mean? But then once I heard, You have a referral ID? Yes, it is the end of that crypto.com link. Hold on. At the end of the link here that's going to pop up in chat, it's the 53ABX226QB. 53ABX226QB at the end of that link there. Gemini is going to start earning interest on your crypto like BlockFi. They are. I saw that. The Winklevoss twins are going to do that. So here's the thing. Well, so I'm doing that with BlockFi and my Bitcoin. But why do that? Decentralize all of that shit. Decentralize all of it. I hold my ADA in my own private wallet, my own private wallet here. There's no bank. There's no fucking BlockFi that's got my keys. My keys are my keys. My ADA is my ADA. It's sitting right there. It's staked to the network, the rare pool. It's staked to the rare pool. We have 365,000 ADA in the pool. You want to know how much that is USD? That's like $150,000 is in our pool right now. 365 Jibas in ADA times fucking 50 cents, let's just say. That's 182,000 US dollars is in the Rand Corp rare pool. Alright? I have over 55,000 ADA. I have over 55,000 ADA. I have 30,000 here in my private wallet. I have 30,000 in my private wallet. And you see this pledge? This pledge here is put there by the pool operator. And we pledge our ADA to the pool to show you that we're dedicated to the system. And this is a way of stopping bad actors. Bad actors would have to own a bunch of ADA and pledge it to pools to be able to override the system and do what's called a double spend and ruin the network. So to stop that, pools get rated based on how much pledge and how big the delegation is. Okay? You get more blocks, more reward for being a bigger good actor over time. Not your key, not your ADA. Exactly. That's why you hold it in your Yoroi wallet where it is your keys, it is your ADA. And then while it's in here, you delegate it to the rare pool. You go to delegation list, rare, click the delegate button. It's that simple. You're earning rewards. It's that simple. You're earning rewards. You're helping the stream. It's all good. And it all stays in your private wallet. It's never locked up for any amount of time or anything like that. You can always send it, sell it, move it, transfer it with a friend. You could fucking butt plug your ledger if you want. I don't care what you do. Like, I don't care what you do. It's yours. It's yours. It's not Gemini's. It's not Crypto.com's. It's not fucking, it's not on BlockFi. It's not locked up. There's no period of time, Luke. There's no period of time. This is your own hard wallet. This is your own wallet where you just delegate your wallet while it's sitting on your wallet. You just delegate it to a pool. It's not locked up. You can transfer it. I can transfer mine right now. So because we're pool operators, we've pledged 50,000, myself and the developer. That's 25,000 apiece. So I have 25,000 ADA in the pledge, 30,000 ADA left in the private wallet. There is a finite amount of ADA. There absolutely is a finite amount of ADA. Yes. It's like having an interest-bearing account with a bank. It is. Only there's no bank involved. Isn't this amazing? This is fucking amazing. How you're talking about ADA and I'm like, shut up and take my money. I mean, I've been screaming about it. I've been screaming about ADA in this channel since it was fucking 8 cents. I've been buying ADA since it was 8 cents. How do you think I got 55,000 fucking ADA? You know what I mean? It's decentralized finance at its purest form, Luke. No bank, no fucking necessary BlockFi or Gemini or exchange or any of that shit. You know what's going to happen eventually? And they're having side tokens on there. Dude, it's all going to be built. I'm 100% all in on ADA. Like, I like ADA more than I like Bitcoin. Bitcoin is hella problems that people don't want to fucking, like, people are just like, I don't like, I can't get on the same side of the maximalist thought. All right? I can't go all in, like, 100% Bitcoin, 100% Ether, 100% ADA. Like, I got Bitcoin, I got ADA, I do have, like, the tiniest amount of Ethereum left. I want Theta token. I want fucking stocks. Like, I'm never liquidating my stock account to go into crypto. Like, this isn't happening. I'm never liquidating my rental property to go into fucking crypto or stocks. You know what I mean? Like, you have to be well diversified. You know what I'm saying? But I don't like the, like, maximalist thought on crypto where people just totally shut down other cryptocurrencies. You know what I mean? Like, Bitcoin does have problems, though. It does. It's proof of work where the mining is very centralized. There's very few companies producing good ASICs. You have to buy ASICs from, like, a handful of people. Mining is now blocked out and held by the rich. TB Jorley, thank you so much for the follow. Like, you at home can't even mine Bitcoin. How is that decentralized? You can't even do it. You can't even profitably mine Bitcoin at home. Whereas anybody there is no minimum amount or anything. Anybody holding ADA, anybody just holding ADA, any amount of it, you can hold 1 cent of ADA and have it staked and be a part of the mining process and how the network works. That's fucking decentralization. What about the fact that there are only 4 Bitcoin pools, like 4 or 5 Bitcoin pools, that actually mine the blocks, that everybody's pointing all this hashing power at only 4 or 5 pools? You know what I mean? I just don't think about it. I don't like it. Aave is like a bank lender, but decentralized. So you put your money with Aave and they lend out. They lend it out and you get part of the returns. Like, you add to the liquidity of the pool, right? That's what I think it is when you buy these, like, DeFi tokens. Like, you're basically adding to the liquidity of whatever lending algorithm they've built, decentralized lending algorithm. So that's where I'm scared, because some of these DeFi things have been beaten. Some of these algorithms, they're all created by humans, and they all got to have mistakes. And if somebody figures it out and beats the game and drains the liquidity out of there, I don't want to be a part of it. You know what I mean? I'd rather wait a little bit. What's the chance we see this Hoskins guy on the channel? I would love to have him on the channel to talk. I would love to. I don't know. Dude, please, somebody please make that. Now for someone to make a double stack 49 wave curve monitor, please, somebody make that. What are its key uses? I have one I bought when I was thinking about streaming poker, but I haven't used it since. Wait, what? Oh, I use it to change scenes, all types of stuff, Luke. All types of stuff. I'll get back to it later. Why don't you just buy ADA inside your stock portfolio? You cannot. You cannot. And I don't want to. Like, I want the decentralization of that. I think that is coming. You know what I mean? Bro, if you still remember, I was the guy that was pumping CCIV. Let's go. Wenhan Lao. I did really good, actually. Right? CCIV. Charts over here. Oh, shit. Because I had to mess with that, didn't I? CCIV, baby, to the moon. Up $1.50 today. That's what's up. ADA. Why isn't all your ADA in the rare pool? It is. All my ADA is in the rare pool. Every single bit of it is. This 30,000 is delegated to the rare pool in my private wallet. Look, I can't click the button over here. This 30,000 is delegated to the rare pool. And the other 25,000 or so is the pledge. Is in our pledge here. That's my other 25,000. I'm half the pledge. Can I explain ADA? I just did. It's a super great cryptocurrency. You're going to have to go back and watch the VOD for the past hour, because that's what we just did. Yeah, 30K, 30,000 of it is just chilling in my wallet. This is my personal wallet that I control this 30K. The other 25K is locked up in the pledge to the pool. Like, that's me running a pool, locking up ADA to show other people like you guys, delegators, that we're serious about running a pool. Like, I went and locked up 25K to the pool that I could also take out at any time, but you know, it's not like locked up, but it's just sent. It's in the pool, you know. If you want to learn about Cardano, look up Charles Hoskinson on YouTube. That's the best way. That's what I'm going to say. Look up Charles Hoskinson on YouTube. All right? Yeah, Google Cardano, read what the experts say, as well as watching the VOD. Exactly. What is crypto? Start from the beginning. Oh my god. It is really cool. Can I just buy it at Coinbase? No, you cannot. To the rare pool now. Let's go. So it takes, once you delegate to the pool, it takes about 15 to 20 days. It takes like 3 to 4 epochs until you're like, your ADA is like registered with the pool and you start earning rewards. If ADA hits Coinbase, shit will fly. I mean, that's part of my hype that I'm waiting for. You know what I mean? Can you guys read that? Why does that look like fucking trash? Is that readable? Why is that not fucking readable? Because I squished it to fit in there? See, I need a bigger fucking screen. Is that better if I do that? How did I do that? This weekend we fixed, that Teen says. Stu Paolo, thank you. You see the, you see what I'm going here for the overlay, though? We could get rid of everything on the bottom down here. Like, all this shit down at the bottom, get rid of that. We could squeeze the poker table down smaller. Like, this table could go all the way to, like, that. You know what I mean? We could squeeze me. We could squeeze myself in the camera over this way, more towards the edge, you know what I'm saying? Ah, Efficient just figured out that Luke's in the stream. Nice, we had a double up there. Good morning, homie. You want to hook it up with some music? Need requests. I've been listening to a lot of Emancipator recently. Let's do it. I'm down to fire up some Emancipator radio. I love Emancipator. So when I won my first $15,000 playing poker, it was actually on Full Tilt, that moved me to Colorado. I had the Emancipator CD on fucking replay the whole night. Where's like a radio playlist? Follows. Radio. Play. I use crypto.com. Yeah, there it is. Efficient put the link in there. Do I need that CD? Dude, I need that CD. It was like one of his originals. It was one of their originals. A baby coming tomorrow morning? Holy shit, congratulations, Luke. Congratulations, brother. Congratulations, man. Holy shit, man. Thank you for stopping out. Holy shit. That's crazy. Babies rock. Peloton, dude. Do we... Whoa, my dogs are doing wild. They're wild and they want to play. 4 a.m. rolling to the hospital. Damn. Let's go, Luke. Let's go. Gretchen's already like fed it off. Feet checking TD and Ameritrade and block fight. Oh my god, that's the greatest. That's the fucking greatest. Oh my god. Congratulations, man. Congratulations. I staked 478. I can't give the pool more for now. Dude, that's all. Hey, 1/8, you know? We appreciate you, Polo. Every bit counts. You know what I mean? Welcome to the pool gang. Exactly. Welcome to the gang. And you know I'm not, right? Yeah, you're not. Totally. Never gonna. You would never do that, dude. I know you, Luke. You would never ever check that during that moment in your life, you know? Peloton double consensus estimates? What? Reporting quarterly profits of 18 cents per share, and the fitness equipment maker revenue came in above estimates as well. Peloton will be incurring extra costs in the near term, however, to reduce shipping delay, and is putting off the launch of a new treadmill. While it focused on cutting down delivery times, the company shares fell more than 7%. Peloton. Anybody in Regeneron reported profits of $9.53, well above the $8.39. Oh my god. Regeneron results were helped by nearly 10% increase in sale of its macular degeneration drug. Wow. That's what's up. Rose 3.8%. Wow, Regeneron. I might have to get some Regeneron. I don't know why I don't have it, dude. Oh my god, chat. I got a fucking call over here. I have to call. We have pocket aces. They could have a flush on us. They could have a 2. They could have a boat. Pocket 8s would be so sick, but we're calling you. What do you have, sir? Oh my god! Another queen? We're fucked. Jacks, we win! We beat you! Wow! How did we win that? Oh my god! Oh my god! Let's go, chat! Let's go! Let's go. Early bird special, baby. Early bird special, baby. Killing birds out there. Aces did hold with all that shit out there. God, that guy could have had any of that. Could have had a piece of any of that just betting into me, dude. Scary. Scary, but I got a call, right? Sometimes you got to take the shot. Estee Lauder, the cosmetics company, earned $2.61 per share for its latest quarter, beating the Wall Street forecast of $1.69 a share. $1.69, perfect. Damn, they beat by a buck. Companies climbed 3.9% in the pre-market. Wow. Cardinal Health, the pharmaceutical distributor, beat estimates by 30 cents a share. Quarterly profits of $1.74 per share. Revenue topped estimates as well. Cardinal Health raised its full-year forecast, helped by raising sales of personal protective equipment. Company's shares rose 3.1% in pre-market. Ford, this is what I'm interested in. We own Ford. Myself and Efficient are deep in the Ford game. We fucking own Ford. I'm about to drive up to Michigan and sit in on a board meeting with my boy Efficient, dude. We're gonna wear the fake business sweatshirts. I'm gonna get a fake business sweatshirt with them. It's the F. It's like an E for Enron. Or it's an F though. Oh my god. We're gonna walk into Ford and we're gonna be like, what's up? Ford reported quarterly profits of 34 cents per share compared to an analyst forecast of 7 cents per share loss. Holy fuck. Ongoing worldwide semiconductor shortage is cutting into the production and profits. However, Ford shares rose 2.3%. Pow pow power live. You like that one? Webcam stretch? What do you mean? We have a cover call on Ford today. We just can't let Ford hit 1350 today. Ford can't go above 1350 today would be very nice. Tilray as well. Tilray cannot go above $36 today. That's got to be fucking worthless, right? F for Ford. It's tight. Sad that any smart American is done buying vehicles. What? You think so? I'm pretty sure people are going to be buying vehicles for a while, and then after that, all these vehicle makers are going to switch over to just, like, you know, owning fleets of mobility fleets. You know what I mean? Busted PDQ, thank you for the follow. Let's go. Johnson & Johnson submitted its COVID-19 vaccine candidate for emergency use authorization at FDA. If approved, it would become the third. Blah, blah, blah. Shares rose 1.5. T-Mobile came in 9 cents a share. Damn. Where's B-Shan and all the people that have been telling me to buy fucking T-Mobile for years? 60 beating forecast by reporting quarterly earnings of 60 cents per share over here. The mobile service provider revenue beat estimates as well as T-Mobile said it will incur more ongoing costs this year as it moves forward. Gilead Sciences, Gilead beat estimated by estimates by 4 cents a share with quarterly earnings of $2.19 per share. Drug maker revenue also came in well above Wall Street forecast, boosted by sales of its antiviral treatment, remdesivir. 2022, 750 horsepower. Everyone is crap. Comes down to their motor. CCIV not going to make the merger today. Price will drop. Saudi don't work on Friday, Saturday, but the retail market doesn't do that. Was it supposed to fucking happen today? I'm not messing with it. Pinterest reported quarterly earnings of 43 cents per share, 11 cents above estimates. Revenue also scored a beat, helped by robust ad sales during the holiday shopping period. It added more than 100 million active users during the company's shares jumped 10% in pre-market. Holy shit. Let me let the dogs out real quick. I'll be right back. We're back. Wow, we like walked away in a hand there and we had like the winning hand when we came back. That's kind of nice. That's kind of nice. Enjoy juice. F your time bank. As long as I'm here making funds, I'm all good. We needed the time bank there. It was useful. Anything outside the Japanese vehicle in the past 15 years has shown some waste of money. I own a Honda. Snap beat Wall Street forecast by 2 cents a share with quarterly earnings of 9 cents per share. The Snap parent revenue came in well above estimates. However, the stock tumbled 7%. Warned of negative impact from Apple's upcoming privacy changes. Wow. Ford sold more trucks than Toyota. Unity? No, I don't know what's up with it. Is it a stock or a crypto? What is Unity? Volkswagen. Yeah, it's hard to go wrong. Like, cars have been pretty worked through at this point. I agree with that. Unity is the stock. I mean, what happened? Oof. Reported horrible quarterly numbers, looks like. Sucks to... Oof. What is Unity? What is it? What do they even do? What do they do? Unity software? Sounds like they suck at software. Sounds like they sucked at software. You know? That's my due diligence I got for you. J Rose. Unity is a game development tool that recently IPO'd and is probably not making any money, and that's why it crashed. They're a game making system key? Oh. Off the top? What the fuck is that? Oh shit, what was that? Build games on Unity, you don't have your own engine. If you don't have your own engine, huh? Most popular game engines out there competing with Epic's Unreal Engine? Well. 88 Center Airport, I know you said 10 to 15, 20 days that it will show that I staked today. Yeah, I think it'll update at midnight that it'll show you as a new delegator to the pool. But it takes like 15 days or 20 days to get your first rewards. But yes, it will show you staked. Like, this number will go up tomorrow when I look at it, for sure. Use your referral for crypto.com so get 25 more ADA. I will, dude. Anybody who uses the crypto link, I will absolutely be using it to buy more ADA. That's exactly what it would be going towards. ADA be flying today, baby. It's pulling back now. Pulling back, but hey, dude, 50 cents, like, it was a few days ago, we were in the 30 cents range. Like, when was this? We were in the 30-cent range until fucking February 1st. You know what I mean? We've almost doubled up since February 1st. It's the fucking 5th, yo. I remember how excited you were about 31 cents. Now it's just another day, dude. Now it's just another day in the life of ADA. You know what I mean? Just out here printing. Just printing. News Corp earned 34 cents in its latest quarter compared to an 11-cent share estimate. Wall Street Journal publisher. Oh my god. Skechers missed estimates by 6 cents. Who the fuck is buying Skechers? How Biden administration Dems Congress should mean more CEO perp walk. I don't know about that. See GM's 2.8 liter Duramax diesel. I hate GM, that's probably the only US truck I'd buy. Feels like a big day for crypto, it does. Feels like it might be a big weekend for crypto. Killingbird. Shout out Killingbird out there. Exclamation mark caster Killingbird. People be walking, Rand can't make the people be walking, Rand can't make the car payments. Wait, what? Look at the 1.9 trillion is going to pass. I wonder how much of that will end up in GME. Oh my god. Nurses and healthcare workers buy Skechers. That's true. Skechers is the S. BTC's looking bullish. It is. It is looking pretty bullish here. The camera froze? The camera did freeze. What the fuck? How do I reset it? Do I unplug it and plug it back in? Is the whole stream froze? No. What the fuck? What in the fuck? Oh shit, now it's not on at all. Fuck. I might have to stop and restart the